Full swing day on Dow Jones and Nasdaq yesterday as expected, and now what is going to happen today we'll try to see again with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Before I come up with my next analysis on Dow Jones and Nasdaq just before the US cash session, so do press the bell icon and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start the day with US 100 first. US 100 trading at 11,980 levels, and now see 12,000 levels are definitely going to provide a stronger resistance for US 100 for any further rise here. So if it breaks past 12,000 levels any point of time now, one can expect that it is going to go back again till towards 12,100. It is going to give you a sharper rise beyond 12,000 levels. Remember, the next target is 12,100, and beyond that we may see it rising till towards 12,200. So go long about 12,000 levels, very clear. Now right now the support is at 11,900, and only bearishness is only if it breaks past 11,900. One can expect that it is going to act bearish and we can expect a further drop. Now between 11,900 and 12,000 levels, do not trade. The divergence here, it is bullish and it is indicating more bullishness. The stochastic on the hourly charts is looking upwards, but it is near to overbought levels. The MACD is trading in green and trading flat, indicating little bullishness there. And the stock RSI is also trading flat there. Looking at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts similarly you will find that this is the greener candle, but the candle size is diminishing. Also look at this, it is giving you lower highs and it is giving you higher lows. So yes, next time if you see it breaking past 12,000 levels with the next candle, one can go long. The target is going to be 12,100, and beyond that we may see a sharper rise. See, there is a lot much ground to for US 100 to cover. It can try to come back till towards 12,200 and 12,300 levels before it looks forward to any further drop. Directional movement is bearish on the 2-hour chart, but it is trying to narrow in, it is trying to converge and it is trying to cross over. The stochastic is again looking upwards. It is trading in the comfort zone, and the MACD is bullish here. MACD has just crossed over. These are final candles of only 5 candles, and it may increase its size, and it is diverging, indicating more bullishness here on US 100 as of now on the 2-hour charts. The RSI is also looking upwards. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts similarly you will find till now higher lows, lower highs, and that is why I say breaking past 12,000 levels, one can definitely remain long on US 100. The target is 12,100, 12,150, 200, and in fact it can try to hit back towards 12,280 levels today itself. Now look at the, it is bearish here, it is trading with a narrow gap, and probably if it crosses over we can see a bullish move. The stochastic is looking upwards and indicating bullishness here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover on the 2-hour charts, and once it crosses over with the green candle, one can expect it is going to give you a further rise. The RSI is trading flat here, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts similarly you will find, see here on the 4-hour charts, the support here at 11,850 and 11,900, these levels I will be watchful of. Only if it breaks past 11,900, one can expect that it may try to drop. Then the support at 11,800 is very strong now, and yes, it is also giving lower highs on the 4-hour charts as well. So yes, if it breaks past 12,000 levels, it is also an indication that one can remain long on US 100. So everywhere it is the same indication. The support and resistance level remain the same. The directional movement is yet still bearish here. The stochastic is trying to converge crossover for a sell on the 4-hour charts, and the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy here. I will be watchful. Whichever it tries to give the indication, one can take position accordingly. The RSI is also looking upwards. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts you will observe that, see, the candle is green, the support here is 11,900, and with that as support it is trying to rise. It may try to achieve this highs, or in fact it can try to achieve higher highs there. This is one expectation I will be carrying forward, but if it breaks past this zone at 11,900, one can go short, and then it may try to come back and hit the bottom there. Also look at this, the 2 candles here, it has got its support intact at 11,700. Couple of candles strongly getting support from there, indicating that the double bottom is done, and probably it may try to reverse a little. However, see, whenever this such sort of thing appears, it indicates that there is a probable reversal which can be expected. The resistance at 12,500, 600 zone is always there, and beyond that it can try to hit back. See, the channel highs is there at 500 400 levels. It can try to at least come back to 12,300. Even if it is bearish, beyond that it may try to drop. However, the double bottom here indicating that US100 in near term may try to achieve 13,000 levels soon before it looks forward to any further drop. The directional movement is bearish and it is widening here. The stochastic on the daily charts is at bottom there, and yes, the MACD is trading flat and it is indecisive. It is deciding which direction to take. The RSI is near to bottom there. So yes, with the resistance, with the support at 11,700, and today yes, only short entry is below 11,900, where you can expect that it may try to go back till towards couple of supports, 11,850, 11,800, two supports there, and below that 11,700, third support, very strong support. So if it trades below 11,900, one can expect that it may try to go come back till towards 11,850 levels in 11,800, but a bounce back is must. And yes, any long entry above 12,000 levels can be taken, beyond which one can expect 12,080, 12,100 levels. And if it breaks past 12,100, we can expect, or one can expect, it is going to hit towards 12,200 and 12,180 and 12,200 zone, and then 12,270, 12,280 levels can be achieved today itself. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the hourly charts is having a support here at 31,200, and with that it has given a megaphone pattern. Lower highs have been done, and yes, if you see it trading beyond this zone at 31,450 levels, one can go long there. One can expect it to rise beyond 31,400, and once it breaks past this zone at 31,500 today, probably it will give you a stronger rise till towards 31,700, 800, and in fact 32,000 levels. Now look at the directional movement. The directional movement is bullish on the hourly charts. The stochastic is looking forward to overbought levels. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bullish here, and the RSI is also looking upwards here, but right now trading flat. On the 2 hour chart, similarly you will find that once it, see where it has got the resistance, it has got its resistance here at 31,500 levels, and today if it breaks past 31,500, one can expect that it is going to head towards 31,600 at least. And once it breaks past 31,600, my next target is going to be 31,820 and 32,000 levels. It can rise till there before it looks forward to any further drop. This is my expectation. And if you look at the directional movement is bearish, however it is trying to narrow it and converge it. The stochastic is again looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over and it is wide divergent, indicating bullishness here on the 2 hour charts. The RSI is also looking upwards. Similarly on the 3 hour charts, if you look at on the 3 hour chart, see higher lows, lower highs, and I'll be observant of this zone at 31,500. Once it breaks past 31,500, nothing will stop it at 31,600 levels, and once it breaks past 31,600, nothing will stop it till 31,820 and 32,000 levels. So yes, you can consider this as reversal. If it breaks past 31,500 today, one can remain long. So yes, that is the level I'll be looking forward to. And if you look at directional movement is trying to converge, the stochastic is looking upwards, the MACD is trying to converge and crossover, and the RSI is near to bottom trying to rise from there. Looking at the 4 hour chart, similarly on the 4 hour chart, the candle is yet green, and I'll be watchful. See lower highs and higher lows it is trying to give. I'll be watchful of 31,450, 31,450 levels. Yes, you beyond 31,450, one can expect 31,500 may provide a little resistance, and once it breaks past 31,500, one can expect a sharper rise till towards 31,600, 820, and 32,000 levels also. At the same time, breaking below 32,200, only I will recommend you to go short. And yes, the directional movement is still bearish. Also look at this here. If you observe, the directional movement is stochastic is looking upwards, and if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge. The RSI is also looking upwards. Coming back to the daily charts here, on the daily charts, couple of indications. See the previous candle, a smaller body size, bigger tail, lower lows have been done, and yes, if it has to reverse, if it has to give a reversal confirmation, it has to break past 31,500 and 31,600 level, and beyond that one can expect that it is going to hit 31,820 and 32,000 plus levels also can be seen. So it can give you sharper reversal beyond these levels. I'll be expecting it to do the same, but it has to break 31,600 levels. So yes, for the day, but before I give you the conclusion, see the MACD, the directional movement is extremely divergent here on the daily charts. It has to converge. For it to converge, we must have a greener candle. The stochastic is oversold again, and sharper the drop, sharper the rise. Remember this look at the MACD, it is divergent and indicating more bearishness. The RSI is near to bottom. Considering this, only short entry today I will recommend is below 31,250. Only long entry is above 31,450. In between these 250 points, do not trade. Beyond 31,450, my next target is 31,500, which is going to be stronger support, and once it breaks past 31,500, one can expect 31,600 and then 36, 31,820, 32,000 levels. On the downside, if it breaks past 31,250, one can go short for 31,200 levels, and once it breaks past 31,200, then the target is going to be 31,000 levels. And yes, it can try to give you higher lows. Probably looking forward to 31,100 levels also may be giving it a stronger support. Once it breaks past the 31,000 is definitely a stronger support. Below that, one can expect a sharper drop on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Join my next mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon on this is the 11th batch starting on 6th of June. So definitely the strategy is taught and the methodology is provided will help you become a proficient and efficient trader and will reap the benefits throughout your life. Also, if you want to join my VIP signals group, you can reach out to me for details on both trading and training, and my email ID and channel IDs are telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my telegram channel. So reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading ahead. Thank you.